If the stem feels too loose, you can adjust it by tightening the adjustment screw inside the handle. Turn counterclockwise to make the handle tighter, turn clockwise to make it looser. Adjust until the handle requires firm pressure to close securely. If the lock button cannot be pressed and the stem won't close, the folding handle needs to be replaced. Loosen the screw at the bottom of the stem, remove the old handle and install the new one. During installation, make sure the spring is positioned on the left side of the handle. You may use a screwdriver to hold the spring in place while inserting the screw to secure the new handle.